Start. I would like to impress upon the Honorable Minister two main points. Firstly, it is necessary to improve the conditions of those drug de addiction centers, psychiatric treatment centers, and voluntary organizations engaged in the work of de addiction, psychiatric treatment, and rehabilitation of drug addicts stop. I want to say that there is a need to open more such centers in Delhi, but it is necessary to improve the conditions of those already engaged in the field stop. The government, on its part, should not be found wanting even if there is need to provide them with additional financial assistance stop. Especially there is a need to promote such organizations which are devoting their energetic activities exclusively for this purpose because they are indeed doing a commendable work stop. There is a need to encourage such organizations working in other states as well stop. Arrangements similar to those in Delhi should be made in other states also stop. Drug addiction is gaining ground in the border and coastal areas of the country where such phenomena was unheard of. Once the names of such drugs, some drugs which are totally unknown for us, are quite common for the youth of those areas stop. These drugs are openly sold even in the hostels of small colleges stop. Recently, I came across 4 to 5 such cases in my constituency also stop. These drugs have become popular in areas where such things were never heard of stop. Therefore, I would like to urge upon the Honorable Minister to provide more assistance to voluntary organizations working all out to check this ever growing menace stop. Along with this, steps should also be taken to improve the condition of de-addiction centers being run by the government stop era. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister towards the opium producers stop. Poppy is grown by farmers on a large scale in some areas of Uttar Pradesh stop. The government controls their production and maintains a strict vigilance over those areas stop. However, despite all this, the smugglers make such foolproof arrangements in some villages that ultimately, even the average farmers who hand over all their produce to the government falls victims of slender and infamy stop. I would like to urge upon the government to find out ways and means to provide these farmers with alternative vacations, and if finances are necessary for this purpose, the government should make the necessary arrangements in consultation with the state government stop. Along with this, the government should also ensure that poppy is grown only on state owned farms and not on farms owned by individual farmers. Stop. Para. I am glad that the minister has agreed in principle to the concept of a parliamentary committee which would hold this broadcasting corporation accountable. But then the question is, what kind of a parliamentary committee and what kind of accountability stop. I think we will have to be very careful in making sure that this parliamentary body is not involved in overseeing day to day functioning of the corporation stop. The moment you bring in overseeing on a day to day basis, it could lead to a lot of interference in the autonomy which you want to give to the corporation. Stop. Therefore, we should be clear about our basic concept in regard to the parliamentary committee. Stop. The parliamentary committee should hold Prasar Bharati accountable. Stop, but it should not interfere in its day to day management. Stop. Era. I would like to make two other specific suggestions. Stop. In so far as the parliamentary committee is concerned, my first suggestion is that this committee should not be formed only on a political basis. Stop. I would like the minister to take note. Stop. What is happening in this house is that the parliamentary committees are being largely constituted on a political basis, on the basis of which party has how many members. Stop. I think this parliamentary committee should represent the entire house, including the smaller groups. Stop. I am not saying this merely because I am the sole representative of a party, the GNLF. Stop. I am making the suggestion as I feel that every effort should be made to try and involve all the available talents. Stop. We should see that this parliamentary committee does not totally function in a political way. Stop. If it start functioning totally in a political way, we will have lots of problems. Stop. This is my first suggestion. Stop. Therefore, it should be a committee which should represent all the parties and all the groups. Stop. The Honorable Speaker should have a specific voice and he must exercise his full discretion in the matter. Stop. Para. Along with this, I have one another suggestion which I would like the Honorable Minister to consider, since we are going to have 11 governors or 11 trustees. Why cannot we think in terms of providing for one member of parliament from this committee also to be on the board of governors, if this is constitutionally possible? Stop. This could provide a regular kind of a link between the functioning of Prasar Bharati and Parliament. Stop. Likewise, I would like to see members of Parliament represented on the Broadcasting Council on the same pattern as members of Parliament are given adequate representation on the Press Council. Stop.